morning. We arrived in Scotland last night to begin our van tour of the west coast, the WC 300, because it's 300 miles. Not woken up to the most scenic of Scottish views because we stayed at Annandale Water Services last night, so here's the current view. It cost us £13 to stay on the service station car park overnight. I've been in, had a refreshing shower and grabbed a coffee. The first stop on our road trip is a rainy one, unfortunately, and we are at Lincluden Colliergate Church. Pretty impressive ruin. I don't think we'll be staying long because we're getting wet. Oh, there's no roof. How are we supposed to stay dry? Oh, you found a good dry bit. We've just arrived at Croic Multiverse. This place is pretty amazing. Look at this. Wow, let's do some exploring. Our pitch for tonight is just on a little car park at a place called Saint Croix. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is a car park that has room for a few camper vans. There's no restrictions, no signs saying no overnight parking, so should be good to go. Rain's cleared up for a bit, but it keeps coming and going. We found this on the Park for Night app, really useful if you're looking for a place to stay. It will show you where the options are. People who've stayed there will write a review to say whether it's a good place or a bad place, or whether there's no overnight parking. All the reviews were good for this. There were some photos so we could see what we were driving up to, so here we are, home for the night. So we're not off to the best of starts because, well, it's been raining the whole time and we found we've got an issue with the seal around our skylight. We had issues last year when we came to Scotland with the other skylights at the back. They were leaking and it was all dripping in through the roof, so we had to cut that holiday short, and we've used it for a year and it's been fine. And then this week in Scotland, this skylight started leaking. So we've had all sorts of gorilla tape up around to try and stop the water coming in. It's not really worked. We've ended up having to put tarpaulin over the top just so we don't have to abandon the holiday too early. So yeah, not the best of starts. It's a shame that our van is leaking, but we're going to push on and head to Ayr today. Find some water actually, because we're going to have a swim. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and hopefully the van doesn't leak anymore. After a relentless night of rain and it leaking in, it stopped for the time being, and we've got a bit of blue sky, so let's hope it sticks around, although the forecast is not good. Rain every day for the next week. Oh well, Scotland. Wait 5 minutes and it'll still be raining. Stop number 3, we're just down the road from Dunure Castle. Beautiful car park where we can stay overnight right by the ocean. We've got views over the sea and you can see the Isle of Arran over there, and the important job for right now is that we're going to get the tarpaulin over the roof of the van so we don't get leaked on tonight.
You just need to get hold of... Oh, Grandma, can you hold that corner? That's going to be easier. Right. And you try and get it up and over, Dad. Easier.
Have the tarpaulin over the van now. It's very windy, very rainy, and it actually sounds like we're under canvas. Well, I guess we are. I think we might be in for a noisy night. Are you going to be able to sleep through this noise, girls?
I'm a deep sleeper.
It's been a pretty good day today though. We went to Killeen Castle, very wet initially, and then after lunch we got maybe 2 hours where it stopped raining and then it started raining again. What's the weather like?
A little bit wet.
Okay, well, good luck.
Thanks. Are you nice and dry?
Oh dear, we've woken up to another day of wind and rain, but that's just part of van life. We are going to go to Stranraer Castle, I think, today. Campsite stay tonight, so we get a chance to plug the van in, charge everything up, have showers, and from what I've seen on the website, the campsite looks very spectacular. Really spectacular location, right on the coast with some cliffs, a ruined castle. If we get a break in the rain, maybe I can film some of it, maybe even get the drone up. So yesterday we went to Kennedy Castle and Gardens, which was a nice stop off. Then we carried on down along the coast to a campsite called Castle Bay, which is our only campsite stop of the whole trip, and it is an absolute beauty. We were right here on the edge of rocky coastline. There's a ruined castle right in front of me. So we're leaving here, we're going to drive down into Port Patrick, which is a nice little harbour village, and we'll have a little explore, give the dogs a walk on the beach, and then moving on to a pub car park for our stop tonight and a pub meal. Ready for the next part of the adventure?
Yeah!
Helen and I had a little run across the coastal path this morning, and we ran from the campsite over to Port Patrick and discovered how nice this little harbour is. So we've just had a coffee, a little play on the beach, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Really charismatic little place. So charismatic, it's actually been in quite a few films and TV series. Can you control your dog, please?
Yes, come on, Bertie, behave yourself. Come on, come on Bertie, you're a real challenge.
Holy cow! Are we ready for trick-or-treating?
Yeah!
What are you going to say?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
Alright, let's do it!
Ah.
You're supposed to knock, what are you doing? Oh, we're going to knock at the door, right?
Hello. Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
What's the whole rhyme?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
Right, pass me those then. There you go, little ghouls. Have a treat. I don't want to be tricked.
Goodbye.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Goodbye.
Who goes there?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
There you go.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Oh, who's this?
Be a werewolf.
Do you want something as well?
Yes.
Oh, you cheeky little rascal. There you go.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Thank you.
Feel like you're running an ice cream van?
Well, it does, doesn't it?
We're just racking up the dramatic park for night stops on this trip because we're here at New Abbey with this abbey that doesn't look so new in the background. Now it's time to get back on the road, final stop. We're walking through Kirkcudbright. We'd come here for a swim, but we got the swim times wrong, so we can't do that. But that means that we can check out the town. We're going to find a little cafe. We've got some local help here. Someone's going to recommend a good cafe to us, but this place is really nice.
If you look at this, look here, this is a Robbie Burns statue, and if you look at the bit in there, you can see the mouse.
Oh yeah, Rob.
Can you see him up there, look? In the glass at the very top, look. Daddy might be able to see that with his
on this
cup.
side.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the oath with the mouse on this
In the
side.
glass, if you come here, you can see it a bit better actually. Can you see the mouse in the glass? Oh, she says you smell great.
Right, we'll see you again then.
All right, bye.
Bye.
That is the trip over, unfortunately. Fantastic week. Made some really good memories. Fortunately, we didn't have to cut it short with the leaky roof because we had the cover to go over the top. It was a massive hassle to put that cover over the roof in the wind, in the rain. But without it, we wouldn't have completed the whole week. So thankfully we had it, but we really need to get that roof sorted out. Didn't ruin the week, still had a good week. The road trip is over. We're thinking we will do Scotland again next year. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed coming along on our Scottish road trip. Stay tuned for more van stuff, travel stuff, tech stuff, just a whole mix of stuff. And if you do that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.